Is it possible to revive species that went extinct thousands of years ago? Science says yes. But what are the risks and benefits? Join us on this fascinating journey into the future of cloning and biotechnology. The idea of resurrecting extinct species through cloning and genetic engineering no longer seems like an unattainable dream. Much like in Jurassic World, where velociraptors, tyrannosaurs, and brachiosaurs come back to life, and creatures like the majestic mosasaur roam the oceans, the possibility of bringing back those prehistoric giants and emblematic creatures that once roamed our planet fills us with awe and expectation. In recent decades, science has achieved surprising advances in the fields of biotechnology and cloning. From Dolly the sheep, the first successfully cloned mammal in 1996, to recent initiatives to resurrect extinct species, the potential of these technologies seems limitless. But should we really attempt to bring back creatures that disappeared thousands of years ago? The idea of cloning extinct animals, such as the woolly mammoth or the dodo, has captured the imagination of the public and the scientific community. Woolly mammoths, which disappeared around 4,000 years ago, have been a primary focus of these efforts. Using DNA recovered from well-preserved remains in the Siberian permafrost, scientists hope to one day create a viable clone of these prehistoric giants. Another fascinating example is the Pyrenean ibex, a subspecies of wild goat that went extinct in 2000. In 2003, scientists successfully cloned a Pyrenean ibex using frozen cells, although the clone only survived for a few minutes. This failed attempt highlights both the potential and the challenges of cloning extinct species. Cloning extinct species could bring numerous benefits. It could help restore damaged ecosystems, providing a second chance for species that played crucial roles in their habitats. Additionally, it could offer valuable scientific lessons about evolution, genetics, and conservation biology. However, cloning extinct species raises serious ethical and practical concerns. One of the biggest concerns is animal welfare. Current cloning processes have a high failure rate, meaning many cloned embryos do not survive or are born with deformities. This raises ethical questions about animal suffering and the use of technology to create life in conditions that do not guarantee its well-being. Additionally, cloning extinct animals could divert resources and attention from conservation efforts for currently endangered species. Some critics argue that instead of trying to revive the past, we should focus our efforts on protecting existing biodiversity and restoring natural habitats. Cloning has also been proposed for other extinct species, such as the thylacine or Tasmanian tiger, which disappeared in the 1930s. Cloning efforts for this species focus on DNA extracted from preserved specimens in museums. The possibility of cloning extinct species is one of the most exciting and controversial frontiers of modern science. It confronts us with deep questions about our relationship with nature, the ethics of biotechnology, and the future of conservation. Should we play God and bring back creatures from the past, or should we focus our efforts on protecting the natural world we still have? At this intersection of science and wonder, we are reminded of our profound connection to the natural world and our shared responsibility to protect and preserve the tapestry of life. As we reflect on resurrecting the past, we must also consider the legacy we wish to leave for the future. The answer is not simple, but what is clear is that cloning extinct species offers us a unique window to reflect on humanity's impact on the planet and our role in preserving life in all its forms. Ultimately, the path we choose could define the future of biodiversity on Earth and our ability to live in harmony with nature.